Hello and welcome to Encryption, the tech tips and tutorials channel. In this video, I will teach you how to reset a GitLab user's password using command line interface or CLI. Let's get started. You can reset a GitLab user's password in three ways. They are using the user interface, using a rake task, using a Rails console, or the user's API. In this video, we will cover how to reset a GitLab user's password using two methods, that is by using the command line, which is exactly the same as the using a rake task, and using the user interface. First, we will reset the password using the CLI. Then we will gain access to the GitLab admin panel, from where we will be able to reset any user's password using the user interface. Before we actually start resetting the password using the CLI, let me present to you the problem scenario. This is my GitLab login URL. As you can see, the URL is different from the original gitlab.com because this is a self-hosted enterprise edition of GitLab. To log into it, I use my username because I don't remember what email I used on it. Then I try the password that I remember. Unfortunately, I'm not able to log in. This is due to the invalid password. I have forgotten the password, but I need to log into it anyhow. Alternatively, if you know the email address that you used to log into the GitLab previously, you can reset the password by clicking on this forgot your password link and entering the email. However, if SMTP or any mail transfer agent is not configured on your self-hosted GitLab, you will not get any emails from GitLab that includes the password reset link or password reset guide. So in this situation as well, you will need to reset the password using the CLI. To reset the password using the CLI, I log into the GitLab server using the SSH and run the command sudo gitlab-rake space inverted comma start gitlab :password :reset and the big bracket, then the username, then big bracket close and inverted comma also close. You should make sure that you are currently logged in as a sudoer, else you will need to switch the user to root. After you run the command, the server appears unresponsive for some time, but it's working in the background. You just need to wait until you get the enter password prompt. Enter a new and strong password, retype the password to confirm and hit enter. If you are able to do it correctly, you will get the message password successfully updated for user with username. That's it. Now you should be able to log in. To verify, I try to log in with my username and the password that was just updated. Yes, I am logged in. Furthermore, to go through the full documentation on how to reset the user's password using other different methods, follow this link. You can get the link in the description below. Last but not the least, let's also know how to reset the user's password using the user interface. This is especially useful when you are logged in as a user with an administrative privilege and want to reset another user's password. Click on the Your Work and click on the admin area. If you don't see something like Your Work, you can enter this URL directly on a new tab, or you can append /admin after this URL. Then on the left sidebar, click on the users. Here you will see all the registered users. Then you click on the edit button for the user which you want to reset the password of. Here you will see the password reset section. Enter the new password in the box. Retype the password in the password confirmation box. Scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. There you will see a save button. Click on that button. Then your password will be reset. Okay friends, this is how we can reset the GitLab user's password using the command line and the user interface. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in other videos. Till then, have a nice time. Goodbye.